Hi, this is Python programming lesson in which we shall learn about functions. There are two functions. First is performing addition, second one is performing subtraction. While doing programming, there comes a situation in which you need already present functionality again. For this, you don't have to write the code again and again. You just have to create a function and call it, and it will do the repetitive task. In the first line, a function is defined. The def keyword means that you are defining a function. Then the name of the function. After that, there are two variables in the parenthesis called parameters. After there is colon. When we call the function, we pass the arguments. Here we are calling the function, arguments are passed. And the function can perform calculation with them. Where variable 1 is stored in x and variable 2 is stored in y variable. When we call the function, we shall pass the arguments. Here arguments are passed to the method, and method will perform the further calculation. Now every time you need this functionality, you just have to call the function and the operation will be performed. Thank you.